Another developing story we've been watching for you has been unfolding in the Vanderbijlpark Magistrates Court. That's where a 22-year-old scholar transport driver was meant to appear today after abandoning his bail bid in January. It seems that's not happening. Let's find out why. Take a listen.
He appreciates what happened on the day in question.
According to you, if you were to assess him or during a consultation, how is his state of mind?
He's not coping.
Can you please make an example?
He's not doing well. You know, he cries in between the sessions. He's not doing well.
Do you think that perhaps it could be related to age or?
I do not know. I cannot make that assessment.
Okay. Yeah. But considering that, sorry if I turn this into a dialogue, considering that he is remorseful and better to contain himself, are you not considering taking him for psychiatric observation or for a counseling?
It's something that we are considering, you know, but I've just came on record now. I'll have ample of opportunity between now and the 22nd to meet with my client, see how best we can help him get the necessary treatment inside prison, because they won't allow him to get treatment outside prison. So all of those are on the table for considerations.
Lastly, the state says it's the matter of legal term, just I forgot the name that they use.
Culpable homicide?
No.
Oh, okay.
Facing murder charges, and the matter was postponed because the DPP had to make a decision on the venue, which is the courtroom, and charges.
Sure.
But now, when you look at this case from what we've been through, like the Chuk matter and another matter in the Western Cape that happened a decade ago, how is your gun loaded determination in preparedness of this?
You can never, as a trial attorney, prepare beyond what's inside the docket. Really, you work with what's inside the docket. All your preparation stems from what's inside the docket. So therefore, it will be presumptuous for me to say we are trial ready or we are not trial ready before we have seen the docket.
Or for now, you haven't seen the docket?
We have not seen the docket.
Okay, no,
thank you.
Well, Ayanda, that was the legal attorney for Ayanda Dludla. That was quite a short appearance on this particular matter. What we do understand at this stage is that he recently just got in touch with his legal representative, and if you just heard, what he basically said is that his client is not coping, that he's indeed remorseful, and that he'll be taking this time between now and the 22nd of April when he returns to court to basically just look at the docket, see how he can then just defend Ayanda without offending the families. He did say that Ayanda is not coping inside prison, but the family members of those 14 learners who lost their lives saying that they do not expect anything less but the maximum sentence for Ayanda, because what they have to deal with is the loss of their children's lives. And one other thing that we really try to understand, and we did speak to the Gauteng Department of Education with regards to this part of proceedings, is whether or not these families continue to receive psychosocial support. Do they still see psychologists? And is the department really assisting them in dealing with this tragedy? But as things stand, the matter has been postponed to the 22nd of April, and that is then when we will find out whether or not the matter will be going for pre-trial, and perhaps Ayanda will then start the bail application hearing. But as things stand, he's still in custody, and a month from now we can then find out what more the state has in terms of the investigation. We do understand that he still faces charges of murder, of driving without a valid public driving permit, an expired license, and an unroadworthy vehicle. So I think we'll leave it here for now as we go and try and speak to the families, as well as just try and see if we can't get more information as to what exactly is in that docket. I think I'll take it back to you for now in studio.
Lopang Alamu is our reporter live to us from the Vanderbijlpark Magistrates Court. For now, Lopang, thanks very much indeed.